Hi everybody, we're here in Sturgeon Bay, Wisconsin on the beautiful shores of Lake Michigan, and I'm excited to show you the Beneteau Flyer 8 SpaceDeck. As we board the back of the boat, the first thing that you'll notice is that this one's powered with a 300 horsepower Mercury Verado outboard. And with the Flyer 8 SpaceDeck, it's all in the name. You notice that right on the generously sized swim platforms to port and starboard, allowing easy access on and off the boat. As we move forward on the boat, you'll notice that the spacious cockpit with modular seating allows multiple configurations with the fold-away benches in the sides, along with a convertible aft forward-facing bench. Moving forward into the helm, a functional feature that you'll notice is the independent captain's and co-captain's chairs, which allows you to have a very comfortable arrangement if you're cruising with someone special for the sunset, or it also allows you to rotate this chair to be a rear-facing spotter if you're pulling someone from the ski tow bar. The helm on the Flyer 8 SpaceDeck has a very neat and clean configuration which allows you easy access to your switches while you're underway, and plenty of space for your electronics, and your other controls such as the bow thruster, zip wake system, and Mercury vessel view. Paired with the Mercury 300 Verado outboard and the air step hull, this boat offers a very safe and comfortable ride. The console on this boat is also very practical for days out on the water, featuring a very spacious head area, refrigerator, and additional storage. Let's move forward to the bow of the boat. The first thing you'll notice as we move forward is the wide open space up here. This is very important for the modular design that they also incorporated into the front of the boat. You'll notice two large benches to port and starboard along with a forward-facing console bench. This is the foundation for multiple configurations on the bow. You'll notice a table base on the floor, which allows you the option of bringing the table from the cockpit forward to allow seating and dining up in the front end of the boat. It also comes with the option for a filler cushion so that this can transform into a sun lounger so that you can have a great place to sunbathe, whether you're at a raft up or your favorite beach. Finally, moving to the very front of the boat, we've got access to our windlass, anchor locker, and our forward boarding ladder. Thanks again for joining me on this walkthrough. If you'd like any other information on the Beneteau Flyer 8 SpaceDeck or another Beneteau model, visit us at our website or contact your local dealer. We look forward to seeing you on the water.